this one?
I'm painting.
No, what is it though?
Painting.
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Coco, what is this one? Painting?
Painting.
Yeah, cool.
Nose.
Welcome to Life of Amaiya. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification button. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Welcome to Life of Amaiya.
Amaiya.
Today she's got a special guest. Who's your special guest?
Mommy.
Yay! And today we are going to be unboxing. We got some really cool things from your aunties, didn't we?
Yeah.
From your birthday. Okay, so today, what do you want to unbox first?
This.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to be unboxing the kids' labs. It looks like some crystals and stuff inside of the sand.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Say, let's go.
Let's go.
Have a look. Cool.
What is it?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. It's the sand.
Yeah. Looks like a block of sand. Let's see what's inside it.
Yeah.
Okay.
They get paint.
Okay, so I think you need to use, it's going to make a big mess. So what we're going to do is get a little towel. Let me help.
Yeah. Okay, open this.
Okay. Should really get some scissors, shouldn't we?
No. Do it with this.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
With this. Look at over there.
Okay.
Let's cut this.
Now you start. Do you see something, Maya?
Yes.
What do you see? What? What? Okay, start chopping at it. Quick. Soft. You might break it. Sweep, sweep. Oh my gosh!
Guys.
We found our first crystal. First crystal in the bag. Woo! So now we have her brother Nathaniel, her oldest brother, helping. Say hi, Nathaniel.
Hi.
Hi.
Can you show me all your crystals? Go. Show me. Can you show me all your crystals? Pull them out. Oh, wow, beautiful.
This.
Did you find that one?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Wow.
Wait. Oh, wait.
Okay guys, we are going to wrap it up here, but we will show you the end result. Won't we, honeys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Wow, cool. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Life of Amaiya.
Like it, Amaiya.
Like and subscribe.
Like it, subscribe.
Yay! Say let's go.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye.